Hello everyone, welcome to another test. Here on our personal channel, take a look at this tool or this device, right? It's a device that you connect to your drill or screwdriver. And it turns your drill into an electric chainsaw. Do you see it there? Does it work? Guys, I bought it here to the channel. And I'm going to test it for you. Let's go. So here it is, guys. Let's open it here to see what's inside this package. So here's the tool, or at least part of it. Take everything out of the box to see. So there it is, guys. Here are the parts of this tool that promises to transform our drill into an electric chainsaw or a mini electric chainsaw. So what came here? I'll start here. Guys, I don't know how to assemble this. I'll assemble it here with you. There's this piece here, which I believe we're going to attach here. In the drill, this part here. Here's the saber, right? This saber here, it probably goes here. Look. There's the saber in here. Look. There are 3 chains. Look. Remember? 3 chains. I don't know if the chains are the same size. We'll find that out as we assemble it here. And I also don't know if it's the same measurement. It's marked here 4 inches. This one here, it's marked here too. It's the 4th. It's the 4th, right? We're marking this other one here too. It's the 4th one. But let's find out, shall we? That's it. And there was even a USB cable here. I don't know what this USB cable is for. I think this came wrong here. It's not possible. It has nothing to do with the tool, but it comes with a USB cable. Guys, I'm going to try to put it on. I'm going to try to put it back on so we can see. How it works really well, guys. Look, I'm going to try to assemble it here. And I'm going to try to assemble it here with you, so you can understand how to assemble it. This piece here, as if it were a protector, it goes here. Then we're going to start here with the saber. The saber. By the way, before, there's this little screw here. Look, this little screw here with a pin, see? This little screw with a pin, it goes here. Look, I pre-assembled it before to find out how to do it. And here, look, now goes the saber, which is this little piece here. It goes here, look. On this pin here, it fits this hole here on this pin. Around the sun. And now the chain. Guys, the chain has a little arrow. If you look, on the side of it here, it has a little arrow that indicates the side. That's the side the chain goes on. So you don't assemble it wrong. If you assemble it wrong, it won't cut. Let me see here. Yeah, right. That's it right here. It's going to fit here behind this gear here. It takes a little work, but we'll get it. I'm going to turn it upside down here. It looks like it fit now. This plastic piece goes here. This plastic piece goes here. I'm going to turn it here so it doesn't fall. Otherwise, the chain will fall all over here. This little piece goes here. And here, guys, goes this screw with a slot. And with the wrench that comes, the wrench comes to tighten it. With the wrench itself, we're going to tighten it here. Look. All right, I'm just going to touch it. Then I'll finish tightening it. Now the chain, guys. With a little wrench here, the Phillips screwdriver that comes with it. We're going to adjust it here. Tighten this screw here. And it will adjust. Tighten the chain. Here, look. Let's see how it turned out. See? It's tight, see? Give it a little more tightening here. I think it's good like this, guys. Look, it's very firm. Look. Then, as you use it, it will loosen up a bit, okay? Now, we're going to tighten it again to make sure it stays firm. I'm going to tighten it again here. All right, I think it's very tight. That's it. Now, guys, put it here on the screwdriver. Hold it here and tighten it well. Then lastly, I'm going to put the support here, all right? The support handle. This support handle, you can put it here on the side, and you can put it on top here. But I'm going to put it here on the side so it looks like a chainsaw. Here comes the trick. Look, it worked, guys. Now I'm going to apply some oil to it. Apply some oil to lubricate. Let's lubricate it well. Alright, guys. It's working. Very tight. Now get some wood, some tree branches, and let's do a test to see if it really works. Guys, now let's do the test. Look, guys, there's a branch here. It's a tree rooster, but it's green. I'm going to do a test with it here on this green branch. Then we'll do a test on this branch here too. This one is dry. Dry wood branch. I'm going to do a test on it too. Come on, let's see if it cuts. It cut, huh? One more. It cut too. I'm going to zoom the camera in here. One more. It cut. Cool, guys. I'm going to put some oil on it here. The green tree branch. It cut nicely. Now I put this wooden beam here. Look. Wood may, right? Guys, the little beam here, look. The little beam here is 5 by 5, and it cut well, okay? The green branch too, as you saw, it cut well. Now there's this one here, look. This here should be about a 7. About 7 here in height, a little thicker. I'm going to do a test with it too. Let's go. It cut too, guys. I didn't cut it all the way. I took a detour here, but it cut well. So there it is, guys. Look. I confess that I really liked it, you know. I liked it. I thought it was cool. Here is our device, if you can call it that. Device. Or drill. Huh? That turns it into an electric chainsaw. Right. So as you saw there, guys, I tested it here. I'm going to turn the camera here. So I tested it, guys, with a green branch. Actually, I believe that this tool here, this device, it's developed precisely for pruning, right? To prune trees, right? Street trees in the garden. But here, look. This branch here has more or less here about 40-50 millimeters. This rafter here is a Canberra rafter, a reasonably hard wood, right? Did you cut it too? Damn right. This piece of wood here, made of planks, is more or less here. About 8 or 9 centimeters thick. Made of pins, right? Did you cut it too? But these are the final considerations, folks. Well, the final considerations are these. Look, I liked it, so there it is. I liked it. Device tested and approved if you want by. I will leave the link in the description of the website where I bought it. I'm not earning anything from this, but it is just to help you, okay? Hey guys, if you liked it, leave your thumbs up, leave a like. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. A video suggestion of a tool or any other product for me to test here on the channel. If it is in my conditions, I will bring it and test it for you here on the channel. Thanks, guys. So thank you. A hug. Until the next test.